Ribonucleic acid is a polymeric molecule essential in various biological roles in coding, decoding, regulation and expression of genes. RNA and deoxyribonucleic acid are nucleic acids. Along with lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates, nucleic acids constitute one of the four major macromolecules essential for all known forms of life. Like DNA, RNA is assembled as a chain of nucleotides, but unlike DNA, RNA is found in nature as a single strand folded onto itself, rather than a paired double strand. Cellular organisms use messenger RNA to convey genetic information, using the nitrogenous bases of guanine, uracil, adenine, and cytosine, denoted by the letters G, U, A, and C, that directs synthesis of specific proteins. Many viruses encode their genetic information using an RNA genome. Some RNA molecules play an active role within cells by catalyzing biological reactions, controlling gene expression, or sensing and communicating responses to cellular signals. One of these active processes is protein synthesis, a universal function in which RNA molecules direct the synthesis of proteins on ribosomes. This process uses transfer RNA molecules to deliver amino acids to the ribosome, where ribosomal RNA then links amino acids together to form coded proteins. What does RNA stand for? RNA, or what these letters stand for, ribonucleic acid, is an important molecule that plays a critical role in regulating gene expression in cells. Although less well known than DNA, RNA is just as essential to life and cell biology. What is RNA? RNA is similar to DNA in its structure and chemical composition, but there are some important differences. Instead of having two complementary propellers wound together, RNA only has one helix. In addition, RNA contains an additional nucleotide, uracil, instead of the thymine present in DNA. Types of RNA. There are three main types of RNA: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Each type of RNA has a unique and essential role in regulating gene expression. Messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is the intermediate between DNA and protein synthesis. It is produced from a copy of a specific gene in DNA, and then directed out of the nucleus to the parts of the cell where protein synthesis occurs. There, messenger RNA is used as a template to produce a specific protein. Transfer RNA. It is responsible for transporting amino acids to ribosomes, where they bind together to form proteins. Transfer RNA is specific to each amino acid, and the genetic information in the messenger RNA is read to determine which amino acids should be added. Ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA is a structural component of ribosomes, which are the parts of the cell where protein synthesis occurs. Ribosomes are composed of proteins and ribosomal RNA, and together they form the cellular machinery that produces proteins from the information contained in messenger RNA.